I had finally made it to Poland, and needless to say, I was ready to hit the open road for what I considered to be the real starting point of the trip. However, the roads in this country, they were something else, and in all honesty, I loved it. The mad patchwork chaos was just so incredibly fun to ride down. It's not an understatement when I said that I had so much fun riding through Poland. This isn't the kind of place that you'd want to bring a sports bike, but I can imagine that if you were quite fond of off-roading, it would be the ideal destination. Now folks, you know me, I'll always admit when I have acted foolishly, and well, this is one of those moments where I had been so excited to finally be off the motorway that all that excitement just got the better of me. The road suddenly disintegrated into a gravel path right beneath me, and the back end of my bike started to give out. Needless to say, I got such an adrenaline rush. I considered turning back onto the road and following the sat-nav, but well, honestly, my curiosity got the better of me. This was mistake number 1. I'd been enjoying the patchwork roads a little bit too much, and well, I was craving a little bit more of a challenge, and so I figured, hey, why not go down the old gravel path and into the spooky dark forest? I did stop to reconsider my decision, and my mind went back and forth, and I sat there for a minute mentally arguing with myself about what I should do, and whether I should head back onto the main road.
Oh, scheiße.
Only, unfortunately, the wrong decision won, and I pushed on further down the path, but cautiously. As the path appeared to smooth out, I continued to egg myself on further and further, and I started to pick up the speed.
Oh, this just oh gosh. Okay, we're all good. It might not be a road. Oh, it's all good. You just take it nice and slowly. Oh man, the adrenaline rush I got back then. I felt like the gravel just came from nowhere. Oh, oh gosh. Oh my god. It's so slippery. Oh. This was not my best idea, guys. This was... Oh my god. Rocket is not happy about this, I can tell you now. Oh, oh my god. Oh god. Oh dear.
The road kept going on and on until eventually a forest appeared right in front of me. The call of the void was strong.
The motorway. Scheiße. Ah!
Suddenly, out of the middle of nowhere, I felt this sharp pull on my rucksack, as if I was going to fly off my bike.
Guys.
I managed to get the side stand down and I managed to kind of like scrabble my way off the bike.
Oh dear. Oh no. Oh poor. Okay, a little bit of a predicament. My bag is caught in my brake disc. Oh. Oh gosh. Where even am I? Oh dear. So I persevere and hope it get out. I don't play it safe.
It almost seemed like there was something bigger than myself, warning me not to go into the forest.
Okay.
But of course, folks, I was never going to play it safe. I was full of adrenaline and I was enjoying myself.
Okay. This, I can promise you now, is not part of the plan. So we're here. I don't think I can turn around. So, I mean, it clearly looks like some cars have come through, right? Oh dear.
I had a feeling that this wouldn't be the last time I would fall victim to the call of the void on this journey. But I persevered nonetheless.
Oh gosh. Guys, this is just like solid mud. Okay.
Up again, I'm waking from it in the night. Clench my hands till my knuckles are white, but it won't take me over. I'm moving past these years, and I know that I'm closer to leaving all my fears. 'Cause I know that I'm closer to leaving all my fears. 'Cause every time I'm getting stronger despite all these monsters. These monsters. And this time I'm moving so far. This light is taking over.
Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's get it back up. Okay, don't panic. Okay. Okay. That's okay. with it. It's too heavy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're doing fine. It's just a little mishap. It's just a little mishap. It's just a little mishap. It's okay. It's okay. Oh. We're doing fine, Saff. We're doing fine. We're doing fine. It's okay. Okay, let's get something to eat. Right, plan of action. We're going to get off the country road and go and have lunch. I have a feeling, but no foul, no harm, no play, whatever the phrase is. I don't know, my mind is like scrambled right now, but oh Jesus. Right, let's hope. My elbow's a little sore. Other than that, I am a-okay. It's all good. It's all good. Maybe I'll stick to main roads for an hour or two. entry lane, guys. I'm basically gonna walk it out. I swear to God, if you all do not donate to the air ambulance after that fiasco, I will not be impressed. Over. I have a feeling that's going to need cleaning. I don't really know what happened back there, because it all just kind of happened so quickly, but I'm quite looking forward to watching that one in the tent tonight. In my face. Oh gosh.
Although I didn't have the best start to the day, I was still determined not to let it sway me from my plans. And those plans were to continue heading along the remote roads into the Polish mountains towards Zakopane,